Good morning, good morning, good morning, traders. How is everybody doing out there? New week. Let's get it. What's up, everybody? I hope everybody's doing well. New week. New week on the charts. Things are looking pretty dumpy. Not gonna lie. Not looking too good around here. Unless you're in shorts. Did have a short during Asia, but I chopped it off already. Not looking too promising here for the old markets. Looking like maybe a new low. Shit. New lows. Damn. Damn, son. New lows. I thought the bleeding was over. New lows. Nobody wants new lows. I think it's a pretty light day today. No economic news. The bangers this week is going to be Wednesday and Thursday. We got CPI and PPI coming in hot. 8:30 both days. Be ready. Volatility incoming. Anything going on in the crypto news? People calling 70K yet, or was that just me? I love these people's technical analysis. It just keeps getting like lower, and then they make a new one. When it goes lower, they'll make a new one. Pretty funny. El Salvador buying 5 more BTC. Nice. Really, some of the technical analysis out there on the old Twitter is really shit, man. Nothing too fancy. Nothing too fancy. Pretty nothing out there in the old crypto news today. For me anyway. Let's look at the charts, man. We can go over our trades that we took here. We're switching to RTY. the big boy mini, not micros anymore. So we're just trading one RTY contract per trade as per Mike's recommendation. Performance on the account today, I just took 2 trades, 2 scalps basically. Nothing too crazy. Up $200 per account. Appreciate that follow. Will game, you're the best. Nothing too crazy on the account today, not yet anyway. We'll see what happens. At least this buys our stop if we get stopped out today in the New York session. We shall see. We're trading across 6 accounts at this point. I don't know if you guys can see that. It's pretty hard to see, but yeah, $200 per account so far. 3 of these are funded and 3 are not. They'll all be funded eventually. So we're trading with 150K in funding, and then we're working to get these other 3 funded. Once we have 6 funded, I'll buy 4 more, and then we'll work with 10 for a while until we get some payouts. That's kind of the plan. That's the plan, Sam. Once we have 10 and we're working with 10 for a little while, then we're gonna need to get 20. We're gonna need to get 10 more. So have a look at the we can talk about the trades that I took here on the Russell. They were both Russell trades. One was during London, was here. Just open this up a bit here so you guys can see. Looking at the 5-minute coming down, I believe it was this. Have a look and see here. On the 15? Was it on the 15? Yeah, it was this 15-minute. So I believe I bought the liquidity under here, and then just rode it up to here. So it's just a scalp. Then that was in Asia, and then in London, that was at the end of Asia, and then in London I shorted this, and then again just a scalp. I should have held that one. This is looking pretty shit for the futures. They're coming back down into an area that's already tested, right? So like this is, you know, it's not looking very promising. I think we're going to see lower than this. And then we need to look on like the hourly, see if we can find a spot. You know, this is pretty scary, honestly, for the so we got the hourly liquidity here. Has that been touched? Yeah, so there's liquidity underneath that, but like, you know, it's not much, dude. This swing is tested already. So, you know, kind of only expect you know, not like a big trade there. Could be wrong, but yeah, this looks looking kind of shit here. What's up, Craftsman? Thanks for stopping in, man. Appreciate you. I think I landed another Villa client for management. Good times, man. Good times. It's basically just free money when that happens, as I have employees to do everything. So yeah, this is looking bit rough here for the old futures. See if this swing test holds, but it could hold. I really should have held that trade a little bit longer. I didn't hold it very long at all. This one, I shorted this right here. Yeah. Kind of clean up this chart a little bit, yeah, for the important shit around here. Just nick some of this shit off here. That's still relevant. Yeah, it is. Can move it down though. Interested in this. Just nix it. Interested in that. Kind of the area you want to be looking at to the, if we get up there. I'm gonna be interested just in this gap close here, if they get up there. Something interesting to look at. They did gain this, you know. This is kind of the area that they need to be holding. I should really be looking at longs. Like really, if they don't hold here, it's gonna be a bit rough. I'll probably look on the 5-minute for a long here on the Russell. See if we can get it. They've already gained on the tick. Already had a gain here on the tick. That would have been a decent entry there. Right here. Yeah, it's just if they don't hold this here, this is starting to look really rough. Like they're probably gonna dump it like crazy. So, you know, you kind of want to see them hold this here. Might take a long. Yeah, boys. Yeah, boys. Longs here should be targeting above this. Really could be targeting even above this. But because we're trading futures, there's not really a runner. You take the first target, I guess. Maybe the liquidity here or something like that. I don't know. Probably just take that and just be done with it. I'd like to see them gain this 5 on the inside first. Forget my camera's here. Can't see half the chart. don't know. What do you boys think? What do you think? You think longs? You think longs around here? Looking pretty shit, man, honestly. Probably just wait for a market opening, man, honestly, to see what's going on. A little worried that they're gonna sweep these lows here. What's going on, Mike? Thanks for stopping in, man. Appreciate you. I just had 2 scalps today on the Russell, both of them. I had a short. I should have held it on the Russell. I shorted this up here, but I caught it fairly fast. Just being a bit more careful now, you know what I mean, with the real accounts. I also long this on the Russell too, and just took a scalp. Yeah, 1 mini now. Change it over to RTY, man. You see on the screen, RTY. We're RTY in it, man. Just RTY, that's it. Up 200 per account today so far. Not bad. Not bad for just a couple scalps. I only sat down for like, I don't know, 40 minutes or so. Not bad. Really, I should have held that Russell short though. Yeah, man. Yeah, guys. That's it. I think it might be a little light day today. There's no news. There's, you know, first day of the week. The old first day of the week. The markets are in pretty crazy spot. Like if they don't hold this area, it's going to be a disaster. So, you know, kind of need to hold. They need to hold here, man. Look at a couple other spots down on the like the NQ and ES. Yeah, like fuck, you know. Great, they took that out. What else is here? What else is here? Nothing here. Nothing. This here, maybe. Maybe. maybe this. Yeah, I don't really like it on the 4 hour though. Here, maybe, you know. You know, maybe. If not, look out, man. Like, Jesus Christ, you know. There's a few things here, man, but ES weekly. I mean, we're at the weekly. Like just new lows, you know what I mean? Is that what you mean? They already touched the top of it. Like just barely. For a long, yeah. Yeah, for a long, but that's basically just sweeping the lows that where they just put in. Like a new weekly low. Like this top part is tested. This top part is tested, so I wouldn't even consider that. I would consider the bottom one. 56. 50, 56, between 50 and 60, something like that. Pretty far down still. This is an untested weekly though, so it's, you know, but it looks like on the smaller time frame for sure. It looks like new lows now, right? You know, did not achieve. This is, they were gonna hold this, they would have done it here, right? Coming this far down is not good. $56.20. My God, why? Why, man? I don't know. I can't look at weeklies anymore for some reason, you know. Stupid. This tested already. It's basically the same area that I'm reload the chart. Thanks, brother. So stupid, man. How about that? I just closed the chart. I hate you so much. Yeah, you know. Yeah, really it would be, this is where I would pin it here. I did the top of it already, so I did the body. It's more like a 4-hour level. It's weekly liquidity under here. Gap closed here. Gap closed here. 41 at the gap close. He wants all the way down here. I would pin it. I think they would hold on to this gap. Nifty. So nothing really changed here, right? They took the weekly liquidity. Yeah, I still think that we're headed lower to these levels. Yeah, they're rejecting the daily now here too. They took the daily liquidity, now rejected. This is all tested. Little spot here. Nothing really changed, you know. There is a little spot here, but so, you know, down here is a trade area for sure. Yeah, down here is a trade area. Would really expected a stronger close, right? If they were going to take it higher. They failed the daily now at this point. So I think it's going to be like this. HDFC. HDFC Bank. Ooh, this looks a little rough too. So they brought it down into a tested level. And then they've rejected this. And then when they tried to gain it, they did not. No. A big no. A big no. So I think lower than this. Keep a tight eye on this guy. Yeah, we keep a tight eye on that guy right there. Yeah, that would be the thing that I would be most interested in. The weeklies? Sure, yeah, look at the weeklies. Very important spot. So they failed the weekly here, and they brought it down into a tested area. So there's nothing really here to hold this up, man. This doesn't look good on the high time frame. They brought it back up, you know, testing a gap, testing this weekly swing that made the high. And then they rejected it. You know, if they're gonna move higher, very important that they stay above this. If they start losing that, they're gonna go lower than, you know, who knows how low these guys could go. The next weekly untested, I'd have to look at the daily. Weekly's tested all the way down. Let me look at the daily. Wow. There's this down here. There's this. I'd keep an eye on this swing down here. So if they fail this, they're going here. And then we'll see what happens. You would think that they would hold there because like literally everything else is tested, man, on the daily. So if they don't hold there, then this is going to like fucking dumpster town. I would think it's going lower than this. Down here to this. So, you know, they need to hold there. Yeah, they really need to hold there. It's kind of important that they hold here. You know what I mean? They even if they dump it here, it's very important that they hold here. Or else it's... Look out below, I think. Could be look out below. So Anantara and Tajara, or whatever this is. So, you know, we'll see how they end the day today, but you know, you want them back above this, right? You want them back above here. Right now, it just looks like continuation down. If they don't get this back above here, it looks like continuation down. Is this a daily closed candle? Yeah, so then this doesn't look the greatest. It looks just like continuation down for me. This area. Underneath here and in here somewhere. They're trying to hold this right now. I don't think they're going to succeed. So yeah, underneath here, in here, 380, around 380. It's a decent spot to just take longs, right? You can just take longs here. Wide stop. I believe this would hold. Let me look at it on the weekly. Yeah, they may hold this too though still. So there's one other spot that you can look at. It's this bottom spot here, 456. If they start holding that, it's okay to take some kind of trade on this weekly. But yeah, even if it goes down here first, you need to wait for some kind of like re-achieve, right? Yeah, if this is a long-term play, what I would do is I would have orders down here and just have them in here, this area, basically at new lows. Like if they make new lows, just start buying and, you know, averaging. If it's like a long-term buy and hold thing. Trade stocks a little bit different than you trade futures, right? At least I do. Yeah, exactly. Right. Russell looks like it's trying to hold this, trying to hold it out. Just gonna have a quick smoke here. I'll be right back. Maybe grab a coffee. I'm a bit tired. We got market open in 1 hour and 20 minutes, boys. We got lots of time. Oh yeah, boys. RTY bouncing this spot a bit, yeah? Bouncing this a little bit. Doesn't look very good though. Honestly, want to take a short. Dude, I got a lot of sun today, man. I'm all burnt up. So hot. I was in the pool. Gotta go in the pool, man, most of the time. Around here. Around here, you need to be in the pool. Yeah. Go. Don't forget to hit that follow button if you guys haven't followed. I need 3 more followers. And then I'm in. Then I'm in the club. Just 3 more followers, man. And then I'm in the club. In the Twitch club. Spooky markets, man. Appreciate that. Cooper. 2 more, man. Appreciate you, Cooper. Thank you. The New York Open about an hour. Let's make some fucking money today, boys. Let's go. Let's just make some money. Yeah, it might be a little light on the trading though today, man. Honestly, the short in this range has kind of been had. Wouldn't mind shorting this up here. Wouldn't mind if it gets up there. I don't know if that's gonna happen though. At some point they need to hold, right? At some point they're gonna need to. Right, man. What now? Just wait? I might push back the stream start time, man. I end up just sitting around here for an hour. There was a little 5-minute trade here on Russell. I didn't take it. Here, I had it marked. I just never took it. Was a little trade. Would have worked. Would have been $200. But like, you know, besides like little scalps, like kind of want to see this into new lows first, you know? Besides the little scalps. I think shorting Russell to 41 is probably the play. And honestly, probably lower. Yeah, I got a new I landed a new Villa client today, man. It's awesome. I might have even landed 2. Every Villa client we get is like an extra $600 a month for me. Pretty good. Not bad. Stoked. There's also a potential for me to oversee a construction project here. Not me personally, but my team. So that would be another $600 a month too. Really, I should have held this short, man. I was shorting this. I shorted this. God damn.
But we had one more important sound we wanted you to hear.
Because right now, this just looks like total shit. It just looks like it's going down. You know, I shorted this right here during London. Why didn't I hold it? Who knows? Yeah. Yeah, ES it doesn't look very good too. Gonna mark at the bottom here. Want to look at Russell here a little bit. Yeah, this is the only thing I see on ES. Wouldn't take a trade there. I would just wait until it gets there and we'll see what happens. I have it on the screen there. 1 hour. New York session at 9:30 Eastern. See it up here on the screen. So for Russell, I think I would just be looking at new lows and then probably trade it, counter trend trade there. See what happens when we get new lows. There's also liquidity here. See what happens in this area here, right? Oh, time zone switch. I don't know. What time is it in New York right now? So does this open right now? I didn't even realize there was a time zone switch. Because we don't do that over here. So, you know. Who the fuck switches the time? You know what I mean? It's the stupidest shit going. Oh yeah, I guess it is right now. Thanks for letting me know, man. Appreciate you. Thank you. Yeah, I'm in Indonesia. They don't do that here either. But yeah, it would be because we've switched, right? No, yeah, for sure it is. Look at the market moving. Yeah, the time switch in Canada is normal, not here. I haven't been in Canada in 3 years. But yeah, it is normal in Canada too. They do it. You do it to save daylight. I don't know why it's stupid, man. Really, just leave the time alone. Big move on the futures markets. This is the open. Big move. Move is huge, man. Man, BDP. I was like, what? It's fucking open now? I don't know if it's gonna get hit. I don't want to short this. Okay, I'm gonna short one here. Shit, Phil, man. Really, that's terrible, Phil. Okay, I'm gonna close this off. Just a nice quick trade here. Not bad. My computer lagged out there, so I had no idea how much profit it was. Not bad. $250 per account. My computer was all lagged out though. I couldn't see what the profit was or anything. Could have held that more, but what are you gonna do? I got a shit fill on that too. Really, really bad. What an opening candle, man. Wow, what a buyback. Are we going to look at shorting this again? Oh, I missed it. Oh, I missed it. It's too bad. Going down, man. This is gonna go to new lows, new local lows at least. I like this area down here. Little gain on the tick chart, 15-second chart. Looks like they're dumping it. Trying to hang in here. Trying to hang with the boys. I'm gonna short this one more time. Okay. Kind of a little bit of a wide stop, but what are you gonna do? stopped. They held it. This was an area I wanted to short again. One more try on the short. This would give back my all my profits for the day, so that's okay. Just be break even day if it loses. This one I'm gonna hold until new lows, if it happens. I say that, but I probably won't. We'll cut it. Dump it, boys. Let's dump it one time for the boys. Let's dump it one time for the boys. Let's dump it. Trying to fail on the tick chart. Failing. Failing. And Q doesn't look good either. Like, it looks like shit. ES kind of gained. And Q didn't gain shit, man. They look like just looks like it's going down hard. Dump it, man. Yeah, I'm gonna cut this loose, man, because I'm up 350 per account. I really shouldn't play the profit, but it's hard for me to look at that and just be like, not take the money, you know what I mean? $600 per account. So $600 times 6 for the day. Let's fucking go. That's probably it for me trading. If we make new lows, I might look at some kind of long, but that's probably going to be it for me to trade for today. Making $600 per account is okay, I would say. Not too shabby, but really this looks like shit. Things are it does not look good here for the futures, for anything. NQ looks like crap. Like they're gonna make new lows. ES barely gained. They're probably gonna go down. Bitcoin looks like crap. Moving into a tested zone. Everything's tested down here. Watch out. Look out below, boys. Look out below. Look out below, boys. What a job, man. You can come to the market for 30 minutes and make that. What a life. What a life, man. Let's go. Let's go, boys. We're getting 20 fucking accounts. Really? That's a good day trading for anybody, man. I don't care what you say or who you say. Let's go, man. Let's go. I still think this is headed lower, man. You know, really, it looks bad for all markets involved, really. Bitcoin looks really bad. So does NQ. Looks really bad. There was another short opportunity here. I didn't take it, but there was one on Russell. I was trading Russell today. It's a short opportunity right here. I'm done for the day, Mike. I'm done, bro. I'm fucking done. I finished. Done for the day. I'm done, brother. I'm done. Let's go. 600 per count. Let's go. $600 per account. I'll take it. I'll take it. That's enough. Enough for me. But when I did short this, I said I had my initial target at just new lows. When I shorted this up here, I had my target here. But then you know, I saw the numbers and I'm like, oh fuck, I might as well just take $600 on the day per account. It's good enough. And you know what I mean? I'll come back tomorrow, I'll do the same thing. It's fine. But yeah, put a short. Put a short, bro. Let's go. RTY gang for life. I didn't even have it on the correct thing. I shorted here. I shorted here. This. I'm sure you obviously know too where to short, right? But like that's where I shorted. Let's sweep of that. Profits here. Let's go, brother. RTY gang, gang. Making some money today, boys. Let's go. Let's make money. Go. Go, markets. Go. Go. Well, it was a good day at work, right? Wasn't it, boys? Wasn't it a good day at work today? Did everybody have a good day at work? What do you even say to that question? If somebody asks you, man. Did you have a good day at work today? Yeah, I did. I had a good day at work. Working. What do you do for a living? I click buttons. I know, man. I'm up 600 per account. Trading done for the day. No, I don't have it marked. You use that other than, I thought it was just an indicator for if it loses it on the daily, target the lows of the quarter, right? Let's go, boys. 600 per account. Let's go. We're looking for daily closes above, yeah. I don't know. I think these markets are going down, not up. There you go. Fuck this stupid trading view, man. Yeah. Matter, I'm done for the day already. I can't trade anymore. I still think these are going down more. Russell looks like shit. And like NQ, did they stop at a level? Like they just swept it, right? Yeah, like I don't know. Did they stop somewhere? Just have a look and see, man. Yeah. I was looking at this pre-market. Yeah, man, like I think they're going a little bit lower, right? At this point. Down into here. Maybe a pop. Maybe a sweep of this and then pop, right? Sweep this, then pop, reject this. And down. Something like that. Maybe. Yeah. That would be like a sweep of the 4 hour, basically. Right? Oh, you're one along it before the 4 hour gets swept? I don't know about that. I would wait for 65 or 60. But it's hard, man. Like you don't know where you're gonna stop that, you know? Just stop it at 30 on the 4 hour. And like really this area is shit. Look at it over here. This is pretty shit, man. Like it's already been tested, right? Like if they were gonna hold it, this is tested, all tested. Really, they're probably coming down here, man. Like they're probably coming down here to this, man. Who knows though? You never know about these things. You really never know about these things. Regardless, I'm up 600 bucks per account. Times 6. My RTY, my target would have been hit. I had this. This was my initial target when I laid out that trade. I think that would have been a bit much though, if I would have held it all. Yeah, man. You know, markets are dumping. Should we put on the cancel all orders guy? Is it cancel all orders guy time or not yet? We have to wait till the range break down here. Really should have had this marked on the chart, but this was the last level lost here, up here. Actually this. They didn't quite get to it. I should have had this marked a little bit better on the chart. Sorry, boys. Sometimes I forget I'm fucking streaming. This was the trade up here. The last level lost. Wasn't even that, it was this. They didn't quite get there. Glad I took that sweep. I bounced back on that, man, because I took a stop and then I took a huge trade. Let's go. Look at this. Wow. What a dump, man. What a dump. Like when the dump's over, I get all this lag, you know what I mean? Like when there's like a bunch of like buying activity and shit in the markets, I get all this lag. It's the worst, basically. You know? That's the worst, man. How is that a thing on this thing? I hope you guys made money today. What a dump, man. What a dump. Caught half of it. I could have had a grand day. Grand per account. A little liquidity point here on coming up on Russell. ES swept the lows. The local lows. Yeah, they swept it. What a move, man. These markets. Wow. Wow. Look at these moves. Holy shit. Little spot here on Russell. Probably see a bounce here. But this is so scary. Can't be worried to even scalp it. Close to your level here, BDP. What a fuck around with the time zone change or whatever. Jesus Christ. I was like, oh shit, we're starting in like 1 minute. Probably a bounce here, man. I think a bounce here. In Russell gang. Spooky though. At my line. It's at my line. 270 just to there. Little bit of a bounce here in Russell. Could have took it. Could have just put my stop rate in profit right away. Hey man, these magical lines that you put on the chart, you know. These wild magical lines. New lows coming in Bitcoin. Decent little pop for scalp would have been on Russell. It's already worth $200. Times 6 accounts is a lot. Looking at the liquidity over top of this. Yeah, that would have been the PT. Magic lines that you put on the chart, yeah. These magic lines. Big shout out to P Weeby, who told me that there was a fucking time change. What a beaut that guy was. He came from Kick, so I don't know. Did he even follow? I didn't even think he did. If he did or not. But big shout out to him nonetheless, or else I wouldn't even have known. Who changes the fucking time? Just relax on that, man. The time is fine, you know? Just let it be. Well, that's going to be it for the stream, boys. I'm not trading anymore. That's it. I don't want to make too much money each day, you know what I mean? Or else it's going to be a pain in the ass for cash out. Plus, I don't really want to take a trade, man, until we make new lows. You know, I'm not very interested in trades until we make new lows. And Russell. Did they get to BDP's level? Not yet. Close. ES did make new lows. I don't know, these markets, they just, everything looks like it's going down more. No, don't sell the lows, but looks like it's going down more. But here's not a place to take a short. The short was much higher, right? The short was up here, where we took shorts up here. Now is like just kind of wait and see. This is this profit area, you know, profit taking area. This really isn't even a place for longs down here. You know, it's, you know, maybe a scalp. That's it. So that's gonna be it for me anyway. I'm gonna leave you guys to it. Thank you guys all for stopping in, man. I appreciate you guys. You know, we're on the way. We're on the way to 20 accounts. You know, we're gonna do it. It's just gonna take a little time and effort, but it will go pretty fast if we keep making $600 per day. I'll tell you that. That's for sure. The folks on Twitch, we're gonna send you over to Mike as usual. Thank you guys all again for stopping in, man. I appreciate every one of you, man. All right. Enjoy. Peace out. Tell Mike I said hello. I'll be over there for a bit too.